So I'm talking here about a phase 1 clinical trial that's being conducted in non-Hodgkin's lymphoma with the first safety cohorts focusing on chronic lymphocytic leukemia patients who have a TP53 mutation. So this is a really important group of patients to target in clinical trials because we've seen even in the era of novel agents, while outcomes have improved for patients with CLL with TP53 aberrations, they still are inferior to those without TP53 mutations or deletion 17p. So this trial focuses specifically on CLL patients who have a TP53 mutation, and there's 2 safety cohorts. It's a phase 1, 3+3 dose de-escalation design, and it looks at combining Ibrutinib for one safety cohort with this novel drug, APR-246 or Ibrutinib, and then the second safety cohort will combine APR-246 with venetoclax and rituximab. So APR-246 or Ibrutinib hasn't yet been studied in non-Hodgkin's lymphomas, but has been studied in the myelodysplastic syndromes, and there's an ongoing trial in AML. And basically what this drug does is it targets the P53 protein, which is the historical driver of poor outcomes in many cancers. And this is something that we see in CLL too. And by APR-246, its active metabolite forms a covalent bond with the P53 protein, and in doing so is able to restore some of the wild type function of P53, including apoptosis. So this trial design, this is trials in progress. The trial is open, so we don't have any data to present yet. It's now enrolling. It's a multi-center trial, but it's really exciting because it really combines a targeted therapy targeting P53, really, which does drive a lot of the poor outcomes with a backbone of, a novel agent, either Ibrutinib or venetoclax and rituximab. And in doing so, we're hoped to improve upon outcomes. And I should say this is relapsed refractory patients. So to be eligible, you've had to have two or more prior therapies.